I dey wonder how some children they live their life nowadays. Just imagine children wey never even reach 15 years. All the way from Ososo, they went ahead to go and do ritual in Ogun State. All because of what? To make money. The same money you will make today, you can't even use it. The same money you will have, you will sit down, look your life and look the money, you can't even use it. Those children have gone too far. They have gone too far. And before they realize what they did now, it will take a little while. But I pray may God help them, because this thing is alarming. Just take a look and watch it.
You'll be by sleepless night, I know say you dey hustle. Wetin you dey do online, oh lọ́sẹ̀ ó jẹ́ lọ́sùn. Mo lọ sùn kí tó jí, àdẹ́sibẹ́rì ti ra mọ́tò. Gbóríwọ̀ Ṣàgámù, ọmọ pẹ́pẹ́ lọ́kọ́ ló tó. I be street boy, breakfast yóò tì. For my area, bí òjì. Let it feel my jam on the look.